Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2017 Ford Explorer maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here, up, down, left, right, and OK for enter. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have to push start, go ahead and press it once without your foot on the brake. It will take you here. Now when you get in here, go ahead and press the OK button. Now go ahead and use your left to click your left to go to this screen. Keep clicking until you get here, and then once you get here to menu, go ahead and scroll down to setting. Enter on setting. Okay, go ahead and enter on vehicle. Go ahead and scroll down all the way down until you see oil life reset. Enter on that, and go ahead and press and hold the OK button to reset it. And there it is. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.